Hello, Lullabies! Welcome to Learning Lullabies. Little Lullabies, do you know where we are going today? We are going to the Greece. Legends and flavors. A journey through the time. Once upon a time, in a land where the sun kissed the sparkling Aegean Sea, and ancient stories danced on the warm Mediterranean breeze. There lay an enchanting country called Greece. Our adventure began on the stunning island of Santorini, where the picturesque whitewashed buildings seemed to touch the very sky. The golden sun rose, painting the island with vibrant hues and awakening the bustling markets filled with vibrant colors and sounds. Hello, brave explorers! A cheerful guide called out, waving from the narrow cobbled streets adorned with colorful bougainvillea. Are you ready to dive into the legends of Greece and savor its mouth-watering flavors? With excited nods and rumbling tummies, we set off on our grand adventure. First, we traveled to the historic city of Athens, bursting with rich stories from centuries ago. As we wandered the ancient ruins of the Acropolis, our guide began to weave a tapestry of tales. Did you know? She said with a twinkle in her eye, that this very place was where democracy was born. Athens was the playground of great thinkers like Socrates and Plato, who pondered the big questions of life. We imagined ourselves in their sandals, debating ideas while enjoying a cool breeze that swept through the ancient paths. Little did we realize we were not just learning history. We were walking through the pages of a living book. As our minds filled with knowledge, our stomachs began to grow, leading us to a quaint taverna nestled in a bustling square. "Welcome, food adventurers!" exclaimed a jovial chef, welcoming us with open arms. "Today, you will create your own moussaka and tzatziki." Donning chef's hats and aprons, we dove into the culinary experience. The chef guided us through the process of layering eggplant, spiced meat, and creamy bechamel. As the mouth-watering aroma filled the air, we whipped up a refreshing tzatziki with yogurt, cucumber, and garlic. The tangy flavor mingling with our excitement. Finally, we feasted on our delicious creations. Each bite was a burst of flavor, telling us the story of Greece's rich culinary heritage. This tastes like history, one of our adventurers exclaimed, a smile spreading across their face. With full bellies and happy hearts, we made our way to the ruins of Delphi, the ancient site where oracles whispered secrets of the future. Gather around, our guide beckoned. Let me tell you about the mighty Zeus, the father of all gods, who ruled from Mount Olympus. As our imaginations soared, we envisioned Zeus throwing thunderbolts, Poseidon stirring the seas, and Athena inspiring wisdom. Each myth unfolded thrillingly, captivating our minds and filling us with wonder. Next, we hopped on a charming boat to explore the nearby island of Crete. The gentle sound of waves and a refreshing breeze, creating a perfect backdrop for our adventures. Look at those magnificent beaches! We shouted in delight as we arrived at our destination. On the shores of Crete, we discovered ancient Minoan palaces, majestic cliffs, and the secrets of the labyrinth where the fabled Minotaur hid. With laughter echoing across the sands, we spent the day exploring, collecting seashells, and making memories that danced like the summer sun. As the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in brilliant hues of orange and purple, we gathered one last time to reflect on our incredible journey. What have we learned today? Our guide asked, looking at each of us with twinkling eyes. History isn't just in books. It lives in the ruins, the myths, and the flavors we taste. Someone shouted, their face lit up with excitement. Absolutely, the guide beamed. And remember, young lullabies, the spirit of Greece is alive in every story we have shared, every dish we have tasted, and every adventure we have embarked upon. With grateful hearts, we made our way back to our ship, carrying the warmth of Greece with us. The memories etched in our minds like the ancient stories carved in stone. Until next time, dear lullabies, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep savoring the flavors of life. And as we sailed away, our adventure drew to close. But the magic of Greece would forever linger in our hearts. Bye bye, lullabies.